Hello guys, Mr. Lopez here, and today I want to show you a very nice example that involves derivatives and trigonometric functions. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see. Let's say I have a function here called q of x, and this q of x is equal to 1 over x times sine of x. Okay, and our job is to find the derivative of qx. Okay, now automatically you should notice that this is a product of functions. Therefore, we need a very specific rule. And a quick way to write this rule is in the following way. Give me any two functions, or at least the product of them. If I want to find the derivative, that will always be equal to the derivative of the first one times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second. Okay? So let's go ahead and find our ingredients. Well, like I do in class, I'm going to call this first function f of x. And this second function, I'm going to call it g of x. Okay? So let's find out what f prime of x is. Well, to do that, I'm going to rewrite 1 over x as x to the negative 1. Okay? So I'll do it here in a little bubble. And if we have x to the negative 1, and if we remember how to find the derivative of just a single term with negative, I guess, exponent in this case, you would know that that is equal to negative x to the negative 2. Okay? Now let's find out what g prime of x is. Well, in this case, it's easy, right? Because we have a table. We have some definitions. We have the derivative of at least a couple of these trigonometric functions, which sine of x is included. So just by looking at the table, we know that this is cosine of x. Okay? And we're done. All we have to do is set up this scenario. Okay? So let's see how that looks. Well, it turns out that the derivative of q of x, in this case, is negative x to the negative 2 times g of x, which is sine of x, plus f, which in this case is 1 over x, times the derivative of g, which is right here, cosine of x. Now, as you know, I was mentioning in class that for us, we don't really like negative exponents, so we can rewrite this term in a different way, okay, but it doesn't really change that much, the expression. Let's take a look. Negative 1 over x squared times sine of x plus 1 over x times cosine of x. Okay, guys? And there you have it. That is the derivative of q of x. Okay, so hopefully this works, and see you guys next week. Bye.